Peonies are one of the longest lived flowers. But these here are some of my favorite peonies with the yellow centers. And here's some other ones, just the plain ones. You can see they do mix well with other flowers though. And here is the ones I like the most. There's other ones that are pinker, and these are more white than those, but I like these ones with the yellow centers. And these here show that peonies are some of the longest lived flowers in your garden. If you see this tree here in the background, these peonies were planted before that tree. And when these peonies were planted here, there was nothing else growing here, and it wasn't in the shade then. But now the tree has made this area in the shade. You can see there's ants growing all over these peonies. That's because just before the flower blooms, it's kind of sweet, and that's how it attracts ants. And here's some of the other more plain peonies that I don't like near as much. And here's some of my favorite ones right here. The pink flowers with the yellow centers. Peonies are in here in Zone 5, they usually bloom near Memorial Day, which is May 26th. And they die back to the ground in winter, but they like full sun 6 to 8 hours a day. Some can tolerate partial shade. And these ones that are over in the shade don't bloom nearly as well, but they like well-drained soil, like most plants. They like well-drained soil with a lot of organic material. These ones I've got, they're very easy to just dig up and divide. And I have moved them over in the yard. All the original ones were the ones that were planted over there underneath of the tree. And the ones in this flower bed, I've dug up from there and planted them over here. I'm not so sure about these ones with the yellow centers. I don't actually remember where I got those. It's been so long ago because they just seem to live forever. Peonies are what you might call the live forever plant. And they don't seem to require anything. Mine have never, I'd never give them special water or fertilizer or anything. They just seem to grow. The ones over here on this side, they do better because there's a lot more sun. Of course, the ones over on the other side, when I planted them there was full sun there too until I planted that tree, and then it grew up over them over the years. But the peonies are still over there growing away. I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, can you please subscribe and like this channel? And thanks a lot, and I will talk to you next time. Goodbye.